You are on Aviation Africa. Welcome once again. We talk about everything concerning aviation and more. Kindly make sure to subscribe to this channel. My name is Joe. Today we're going to look at the second list of Ukrainian aircraft losses due to the 2022 Russian invasion of Ukraine. This is the second list. Make sure to check it out for the first list of Ukrainian aircraft that has been destroyed in their previous video. So as I said earlier, this is the second list of Ukrainian aircraft that has been destroyed.
First on the second list is the world's largest aircraft, Antonov AN-225 Mriya. That is a Ukrainian civilian aircraft. This is the world's largest aircraft as well. It was destroyed on the ground at Kostomer Airport by Russian fire, the Minister of Foreign Affairs announced. It happened on the 27th of February 2022. The second on the list happened on the 28th February 2022. Su-27 was shut down over a city, that is the city showing on the screen right now, in central Ukraine. Its pilot, Major Stepan Kovan, was killed. He was awarded the title of Hero of Ukraine on 3rd March. That was so sad. He was awarded after he was killed. The third on the list happened on the 2nd March 2022. Ukrainian military sources reported that MiG-29 piloted by Captain Stepan, that is the full name on the screen, and it was lost while defending Ukrainian airspace. The next on the list also happened on the 2nd March 2022. Another Ukrainian MiG-29 piloted by Alexander Brinzal was shot down by Russian aircraft while defending Ukrainian airspace over Kiev. On 2nd April, he was also awarded with the Order Hero of Ukraine posthumously. The next one on the list happened on the 8th March 2022, and it was a Ukrainian Air Force aircraft, Mi-24. It was lost over Rovatsky, that's Kiev. Both pilots, Colonel Oleksandr, that is the full name on the screen, and Captain Ivan, were killed. The sixth one on this list is also Ukrainian Air Force aircraft, Tu-141, and it's happened on the 8th March 2022. Tu-141 reconnaissance drone is reported crashed in Ukraine. Ukraine is the only known operator of the drone. The next on the list also happened on the 10th March 2022. One Su-25 Blue 31 was shot down near Nova. That is the full name of the city on the screen. The next on the list also a Ukrainian Air Force aircraft, and happened on the 11th March 2022. Tu-141 reconnaissance drone crashed in front of a student campus in Zagreb, Croatia. The Croatian President Zoran Milanovic said it was clear the drone came from the direction of Ukraine, entering Croatia after flying over Hungary. The next on the list also happened on the 11th March 2022, and it was also Ukrainian Air Force aircraft, one Leleka-100 reconnaissance drone is lost over Ukraine. The next on the list, and that is the last one on the second list, also happened on the 13th March 2022. That's Tu-141 reconnaissance drone, and it was shot down by Russian forces in Crimea.
This is the end of the second list of Ukrainian aircraft that has been lost due to the 2022 Russian invasion of Ukraine. And make sure to check it out for the last list. That will be the third list of the aircraft that have been destroyed on this channel. Make sure to subscribe to Aviation Africa. My name is Joe. Aviation Africa, experience the world.